Okay, this is called Avenida do Nordeste, the avenue of the northeast. So we're kind of in the northeast part of Macau. We're kind of in this area called the Six Pack. I'll explain all those. There's another one right there, and then there's this one right here as well. So let's go check out Avenida de Nordeste.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida do Nordeste. And before we go down, we're just gonna show a couple of things. So the first thing we're gonna do is show how this kind of is all structured. So Rua de Nova de Era Preta signifies one building here. So that's number one of the six pack. Number two, right there. Number three, right there. Number four, down there. Five is on the other side, and then number six right here. So each one of these is one giant city block. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apartments. But it's actually one giant apartment with like 5 by 5. I think it's 5 by 5, could be 5 by 4. 1, 2, these are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 5. So there's 4 by 5 in buildings. So I guess each block has 20 buildings, and they're all connected into one giant thing. And each one has a little courtyard in it as well. So what we're gonna do is go down this Avenida de Nordeste, and we're going to kind of show you how it's all set up and structured. And each of these things called the six pack, if you go inside it, you'll see a little courtyard. And I think I'm gonna put a six pack one video that I did in the past, and then you can see what it looks like from the insides, because this particular one I just did it in the last video. But if you go in, you can see this goes inside. There's a giant courtyard in the middle, but I don't want to go down it right now. Again, the same one. But each one has its own little thing. So you can see that one, there's an entrance and it goes in. And then in the middle, there's like places to park your bikes. There's sometimes a little trees and chairs and tables to hang out, like a little plaza kind of thing, stuff like that. Looks like you also got some nice places to sit that are outside too. We're gonna keep on walking all the way up. Okay. Got some nice places to sit. You can drink your beer right here. I think you can eat and drink from this little store right here. It has like duck and chicken. So it'd be nice to sit out there and eat and drink. Looks like it's like a grocery store. They got all kinds of stuff in there. I'd like to take the camera in there, but it's not really allowed. So let's keep on going. Huh. Some other interesting things in here too. More people kind of hanging out front. Salon. People kind of hanging out. Yeah, this whole other complex right here too. It looks kind of similar, but it's I think these white ones are the six pack. So there's 1, 2 here, 4 on that side, and then there's a whole other structure of buildings on this side. And then there's more upscale apartments up that way. And it looks like we have a park and a gas station right in the middle. If we were to go all the way down, it goes all the way to Taipa. There's a bridge. But I think what we're gonna do is just keep it simple and just film it like this one. So this is Avenida de Nordeste, and it's kind of cool to look at, right? So let's send this one as soon as the lady gets across the street. One. Oh, here comes the last minute one with the child. Let's see if they make it. 1, 2, 3, and they made it. Everybody's safe.
Chiquinha.